Western County in East Central New York, Greene County in East Central New York, until 5:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 4:38 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Roxbury to Arkville to near Pembroke, moving east at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Severe thunderstorms will be near Prattville around 4:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Phoenicia and Woodland Valley Campground around 4:55 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Hunter, Wyndham, Lanesville, and Mount Trevor around 5 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Kenneth L. Wilson Campground around 5:05 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Woodstock and West Early around 5:10 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. North-South Lake Campground around 5:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Saugerties and Lake Katrina around 5:20 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Catskill, Saugerties South and Nabannock around 5:25 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Other locations impacted by these severe thunderstorms include Maple Hill, Atwood, Caspin, Sheltis Corners, Vicama, Broadhead, Otter Hook, Climax, Xena and Highwoods. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Persons in campgrounds should consider seeking sturdy shelter until the storm passes. Remember, lightning can strike out to 15 miles from the parent thunderstorm. If you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Move to safe shelter now. Severe thunderstorm.